Hi guys, I'm so happy that you guys are here with me, and who all are new in my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can get all the notification whenever I will upload my new video. In my past video, I shared with you 5 rules how we can become positive in our life. If you didn't see that, link is in my description, go and watch. It's been raining since morning. Tonight our parents are not at home, so me and my sister decided we'll make something delicious. I love spending time with my sister, and sometimes we fight with each other, we argue with each other, and sometimes our love flows over the sea. There was a person who told me when I was in Bangalore, we argue with each other, and he told me one day you will turn back and no one will be there for you. That time you will be all alone. When I heard those words, it's hurted me like hell. I remember that whole night I cried. Those words sounded like an arrow to my dill. I never did anything bad with anyone. Then why did he curse me? For me, he was my family member. Is it permissible to say this type of words to your family member? I didn't have an answer then. Time flowed. I came home after my final exam. My sister was also at home. One day, it was raining outside. Me and my sister arguing with each other, and because of some dumb reason. For our parents it was dumb, but not for us. That quarrel went to a place where I spoke too bad. I told her, one day you will turn back and you will see only I will be there for you, nobody else but me. Middle of that quarrel, she smiled, and I got more frustrated. I asked her, why are you smiling? She told me, at least you will be there, right? I felt silent. I remembered all the things that person said to me. I felt no one can be more stupid than I am. That time, I had an answer, but I didn't give. If you have a family, you are not alone, just like me. Whenever I turned back, I found my sister, my ma, and my friends was there with me. That person was not able to become my family member, because if you are a family member, you will never say that no one will be there. Your name has to be there. Just like me. When I said nobody but me, that means I will never leave that person. She can believe me, she can keep my name first, on her priority list. That's family, right? That's love. So, if you love someone and you want to become his or her family, never say no one because you will be there for him or her.
मॉम डैड इस जगह पर बहुत सारी सीट्स खाली हैं। अरे रुको शमशान तो रिजर्व सीट्स हैं।
That's all for today. I hope this lesson will help you in your life. See you in my next video. Stay safe. Love you guys. Bye.